My people, una well done o. Don come again with another sweet parable for pidgin language. Make una relax as I dey knack una all of them one by one. The first one wey I hold for hand here talk say king no dey lose case for im kingdom. Pikin wey get one cloth no dey follow im mate play for rain. Sorry no dey heal wound, na im make oyibo talk say safety first. Na pocket wey no get money hand dey stay inside dey. Toad like water but no be when the water dey boil. Another one wey I hold for hand to sama una talk say the stone wey you hold for hand sabi you, but if you throw am up, e no go know you again. Person wey fetch im own water go value every drop. No be everybody wey get big chest dey gym, some dey carry person put for mind. Shift for me dey comot person for seat. Another one wey I carry for hand here talk say the first leg wey you throw go let people know whether you sabi dance. When dance too sweet, masquerade leg go show. The next one wey I hold for hand dey talk say native doctor wey dey hold rain no suppose fear thunder. No matter how you tall reach, you no fit see tomorrow. Bee no strong but every strong animal for bush dey run from am. Pikin wey im mama carry for back no know say road far. Yam wey mama give pikin no go fit burn the pikin hand. Person wey say I no know wetin happen no dey waste time for palace. When blind man say im go stone you, just know say im stand on top the stone already. Na cow wey think say im smart run go yankee go come back as corn beef. No chop all your egg when your fowl never lay another one. Person wey dey peel groundnut for blind man must not stop to dey whistle to prove say im no dey chop am. Who dey sell egg for market no suppose start trouble. Bad character dey like flat tire, e no fit carry you go anywhere. Pikin cry wey sound like noise to you na melody for woman wey dey find pikin. Who wan buy bread on credit no dey ask if na today bread. Na this one be the last one wey I say make I use give una, make una use whole body. Make una use this one take whole body for today. Like, share, comment for more.